Now, beloved seekers of truth and purpose, gather close and listen, for within these words lies a profound message that has transcended time and space. Open your hearts and minds, prepare to embark on a journey that will awaken the dormant divine spark within you. Embrace the calling that awaits, for you are about to embark on a transformative quest that will forever change the course of your life. Are you ready? Then let us begin. In the remote corners of the world, hidden away from the bustling cities and the chaos of everyday life, lies a sacred place known only to a select few. This place holds a secret, a message from the divine that has been guarded for centuries. Deep within the ancient scriptures, it is written that God's chosen people will find this message and listen to him today. Legend has it that long ago, when humanity was still in its infancy, a chosen group of individuals was bestowed with a profound purpose. These individuals were tasked with carrying forth the divine message, guiding humanity towards enlightenment and ensuring the preservation of goodness and justice in the world. As generations passed, the knowledge of this sacred calling became shrouded in mystery. The world changed, civilizations rose and fell, and the message faded into obscurity. But the promise remained, echoing through the ages, waiting for its destined recipients to emerge. In the present day, amidst the hustle and bustle of modern life, a disparate group of strangers found themselves drawn together by an inexplicable force. Each carried within them a deep yearning for something more, a longing to make a meaningful impact on the world. Little did they know that they were the ones chosen to unravel the ancient prophecy and rediscover the divine message. Through a series of synchronicities and seemingly random encounters, the group began to piece together the puzzle. They delved into ancient texts, studied sacred scriptures, and consulted with wise sages from various spiritual traditions. Each step brought them closer to unlocking the profound message that had been hidden for centuries. Their journey was fraught with challenges and tests of faith. Doubts and obstacles threatened to derail their mission, but a deep conviction burned within their hearts. They knew that they had been chosen for a purpose greater than themselves, and that God's message awaited their discovery. Finally, after years of tireless pursuit, the group arrived at a secluded sanctuary nestled in the heart of a sacred mountain. There, in a chamber illuminated by a single beam of sunlight, they discovered a sacred scroll. As they unrolled it with trembling hands, the words of the divine message were revealed before their eyes. The message spoke of love, compassion, and unity. It called for the awakening of the human spirit, urging each person to recognize their inherent divinity and embrace their responsibility to bring about positive change in the world. It reminded them that they were not alone, for the divine presence resided within them, guiding their every step. With hearts full of reverence and determination, the chosen ones vowed to carry forth the divine message. They established a community that transcended boundaries of religion, culture, and nationality. Together, they embarked on a global mission, spreading the message of love, compassion, and unity to all corners of the earth. People from all walks of life were drawn to their message, finding solace, inspiration, and purpose in the teachings of the chosen ones. The world began to transform as individuals awakened to their true potential and embraced their role as agents of positive change. Today, the divine message continues to resonate, echoing through the hearts of those who are open to its wisdom. The chosen ones, inspired by their divine calling, tirelessly carry forth the message, spreading love and compassion in a world that so desperately needs it. So, my dear children, know that you too are a part of this divine plan. Open your heart, listen to the call, and join the chosen ones in their mission to create a world filled with love, compassion, and unity. For God's chosen people have found the sacred message, and it is now time for you to listen and embrace your role in this grand journey of enlightenment. Amen.